Hello viewers, how are you all? I think you are fine. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert an image on another image by using Microsoft Word. Okay, let's start. At first, click the Start button and go to Microsoft Word. Now I am going to Microsoft Word. I am clicking on blank document. Here is a blank document. Now you can set up your first image. Here you can go to insert menu and picture, and just I am going to my destination where I have kept the first image. This is the first image. I am going to select. Now click insert. Yes, here is my first image. I have already inserted. Or you can directly copy your image and here paste it. The same thing you can do in that way. Now right click on it and under wrap text select through. Okay, here is my first image, and on this image I like to insert another image transparently. Like the previous step, just click insert menu and then click picture, select your second image or picture. I am selecting this picture. See, here is my first image. My second image has been inserted here. Okay, right click on it. Under wrap text, please select in front of text. I am selecting in front of text so that I can draw this image on the previous image. If you like, you can resize the image, second image. Here is the option. I am going to resize the second image. For my own convenience, I am giving this measurement. Okay, you can resize according to your size. In the background, there is my first image, and on the first image, I have set the second image here, but it is not transparent. How can we make it transparent? Just you will click here, remove background, that is under format menu. I am clicking here. Just select the area that you need. Yes, I have selected the area that I need. Then I will click keep changes. Okay, everything is done. See here. It is transparent now. That means it has been transparently inserted. See here. You can resize. I am resizing again. See here. The second image is showing transparently. You can sense the position of the second image. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Give us like, comment in the comment box. To get this type of very essential tutorials, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.